There's a secret to that, my friends, and I'm about to show you how. So the secret to this crispy chicken, guys, it's all in the marinade. All right, so we want a really wet marinade. I'm using my Asian Steakhouse Smoky Sriracha and Lime marinade, but totally up to you what you use. We want loads of that. Now, a little bit of food science stuff here, and we're gonna add some vodka. The vodka is volatile. When it hits the hot oil, it's gonna make some crispiness happen. If you prefer to leave it out, you totally can. So I'm slicing up all of these really beautiful crispy ingredients, you know, cabbage, I've got carrot, I've got spring onion. You could use whatever kind of coleslaw stuff that you like, really. All of that goes in, and then we want our dressing, super simple dressing. Now get everything mixed up and set it aside for when that fried chicken comes out of the oil. And this part is where we make all the crunchy stuff happen. So the chicken goes into the flour. Now this is where you got to get your hands dirty and really scrunch and squish all of that flour together to get all of that awesome, crispy, craggly stuff on the outside of the chicken. That's what we're looking for. So you want to get that chicken in there, give it some space, let it get nice and crispy. Keep it moving, guys, because you don't want to get any brown spots on the bottom of that chicken. Now, would you take a look at that color? Look at that crunch. Get it out onto some paper towel, and then we want to hit it straight away with some salt. That's gonna stick to that outside of that chicken. I like the extra spice, so I'm gonna add the chili flakes. So here we are, fried chicken, a really tangy, lovely sesame, honey coleslaw. Promise you, you will love it. Sometimes I surprise even myself.